here still silver trout fishing. And I manned the back of my boat. I let Jerry go in the front. And we're going to see if we can continue to get these silver trout to hit. And they are hammering it. They tore the end of my tail off of my swim bait, and they're still annihilating it. All right, we're back at it again. So now we're going to try catching some more silver trout. Let it sink to the bottom. They seem to be on the bottom and to the middle of the column. There we go. Oh, this guy took it on the fall. No paddle tail. This is fishing. I love fishing like this. You don't really have to try hard. They're all over here. Yeah, these guys are not bashful at all. Suck the whole thing right in. Ready? I've lost count how many I've caught so far. It's ridiculous. They're just heavy in here and they're feeding. I wonder if you put a bigger bait on. What are you using now?
Electric chicken.
I'm still using this beat up thing with no tail and it's catching them.
That's tight.
Here we go. Oh my gosh. Tell me something. How do you get tired of this, Jerry? Oh yeah. Well, Amy would love this. Well, guess what, folks? You had lunch, and guess what? It's silver trout time again. They're still attacking our baits. These guys are giving us such a good time today. Just throw it out there, let it sink a little bit, and they attack it. There we go, already getting banged. There we go, come on. Come on, almost got him, come on. This has been not, here we go. This has been absolute nonstop since 8:30 this morning. Come on. Oh, there we go. He finally committed. Yeah, that's what you like to hear. Little guy's got shoulders on him. They're so beautiful. And he's a nice one. And I think he might be a keeper. Oh, right in my basket. He heard me. He heard me. Let's see what he measures. Yep, 12.5 inches. He gets to go to college. And that is part of our collection so far, of only the ones we want. Make sure when you go trout fishing or just fishing in general, have towels. I have nothing left on my swim bait. They destroyed it and they're chomping on it. It's not scented or anything. Let's see if we can repeat this again. We'll just let it sink down. There we go, already getting hit. It's a 1/4 ounce jig head. Lift up a little bit. There we go. On. Hooked up. Oh yeah. Doesn't get better than this. Let's bring him in. Let's see how big he looks. Nope. Well, good. That was a clean release, and that's what we want. It didn't even sink to the bottom, and they're wailing on it. This is amazing. 12 feet of water, 13.5 feet of water. The tide is coming in, so we are in a little bit of a depression here where the fish hang low. It's been a very, very active place, good place to go fishing. Oh yeah. Come on. This is so exciting. You got a good one on there, Jerry, huh? All right, everyone is beautiful. They sometimes will follow it all the way to the boat like this guy is doing. They're just whacking me. And we'll see if we can get them right here by the boat. Yep, right here. What did I tell you? Wow. Look at these guys. Oh, they're just unbelievable. They followed it all the way in, and he completely sucked in my... Now that is a silver trout. Let's not let him go any... Beautiful. That is what's going to be for dinner, I believe, tonight. Yep, there's a little honey hole. This honey hole's like a half a mile square. Yep, 13.5 feet of water. That little beeping or chirping you hear in the background is my fish on my electronics. I have a beep alert every time fish are underneath the boat. This is 2D sonar that I'm using on this boat. There we go. Hooked up. Hooked up. Feisty little guys. These fight like they're freshwater rivals, the smallmouth bass. Wow, this dude don't want to come up. Come on, let's see what you got. Wow. Hopefully they'll do a jig and they'll get themselves off. That's what we want. There we go. I feel resistance. Yep. Almost. They just hold on to it. They ripped the tail off of it before. I decided to keep using it, and here we go. I've been catching my fish on it. Here's another taker. This is what you come out here for. Oh, they're just so beautiful to look at. And he swallowed this thing. Wow. Let me show you the, this is our little cockpit. It's the center console. And I've got an older version of a Lowrance. It's a high definition unit. I've got a split screen sonar on here. Shows me 13 feet deep. Here's my GPS, and here's my trail where I've been in. All these spots right here is where we're catching fish. This is a hard bottom right now, and when you hear beep, you'll see fish symbols go by. It means that this 2D sonar that's going down is picking up images of fish. It's 71 degrees the first foot or two of the water, which is fairly warm. Anyway, let's see, Jerry, what you got? Oh, a little gag group, a little baby grouper. All kinds of fish are in these waters. Very nice, Jer. We've caught over 100 fish this morning, and now it's a little bit after lunch. We've caught over 100 fish already, and we're only keeping them 12 inches or larger right now. And those aren't even the real good sized ones. The real good sized ones are 15 plus, 16 inch. So predictable, these guys. Look at this. Come on. They're all over it. There we go. He went in for the kill. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Hope he stays on. Oh yeah. It's just amazing. Look at these guys. He's a small one. Come on, see if you can do it. I want to help you. Look at that. No problem. Well, it's the end of a great day fishing. This is just a picture of a cooler full of silver trout, one whiting, and a Spanish mackerel. Well, everyone, thanks for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a great time catching well over 100 silver trout and a Spanish mackerel, and we got one whiting. These are hardy fish. The meat is solid, nothing like their cousin, the speckled trout. But we scoped out an area, and all of this you can do. You see bait busting. We drifted into that area and started casting, and lo and behold, it was a honey hole. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. We sure did, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks again.